There is an undistinguished lamp hidden in everyone's heart, but sometimes it is covered by the shadow of difficulties and pain. When you fall into the trough of life, you may doubt your own value and even forget your innocent self. How can the true self be fearless of storms and still shine in the deepest darkness? Through the guidance of deep introspection and wisdom, you can not only soothe the pain, but also regain the most real strength in your heart and become your true self. The real light is hidden in the bottom of my heart. The night is silent, and the stars are dottering. Have you ever felt that the soul is like a boat, drifting in the boundless ocean? When hardships are like waves, overturning the firmness in the heart, the faint light never went out. Darkness is not the end, but the beginning of the journey. Every shadow exists for the light. If we are willing to stop and close our eyes, you can see the light that has never faded in the depths of your heart. Love yourself and bloom like a flower. Flowers fade, flowers bloom, nature is silent. The ups and downs of life are like the rotation of the 4 seasons. How many times, because of the eyes of others, and ignore your own appearance, true love is not sought outside, but found in the heart. True beauty does not come from the surface, but from the purity of the heart. When you are willing to stare at your wounds, you will find that those scars are your glorious lines. Let go and let your heart be free. The mountain is high and the water is far away, but persistence is the lock in the heart. No matter how far you go, if you don't want to let go, you will never be able to reach that free world. Try to soften your heart and try to say to yourself, the past is gone, the future has not come, and the present is eternal. You will find that the heavy shackles have long been gone. Instead, it is a light and comfortable. Before dawn, the deepest darkness. The night before dawn is always the deepest. The pain in life is also so true. When we are entangled in loss and in trouble, can we find a new direction from it? Every despair is an overture to rebirth. Every tear can nourish the seed of hope. The heart is like a boundless night sky. Although the light is faint, it will never go out. Darkness is not the enemy, but the nourishment of our growth. Beyond pain, bright as new, the pain is like a mirror, reflecting the most real self. The trough is like a ring, grinding out the most tenacious soul. Learn to cherish every pain, because it is a teacher. Learn to be grateful for every fall, because it is the road. Only transcendence can reach the inner peace. Only by letting go can we welcome a brand new morning. Embrace the true self and shine. What is the real me? It is to break free from the shackles of the world, or find your own world. The answer is not in the outside world, but in the heart. The most innocent self never left, but was covered up. When you are willing to put down your judgment and disguise, you will see that pure original intention. Just like the first dew in the morning, it shines brightly. To embrace the true self is to embrace the whole universe.